Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days, and today we're going to be talking about canned pears. Danny and I have 3 huge pear trees, and every year we can a lot of pears, and we can them in a light syrup. Now I have videos, we'll link those. These pears were done in 19, these in 20. One in a regular mouth jar, one in a wide mouth jar. They can be done either way, and we do them in a light syrup, which means 1 cup of sugar to 4 cups of water. Now, I've already opened this jar that was done in 19, already chopped up a little over 1.5 cups maybe of pears. I have approximately 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. We have raisins here, and it's going to be about 1 cup of raisins left in the bag. I have some mayonnaise, and this is Blue Plate, but any homemade mayonnaise, whatever you have, works. I've already chopped up the carrots. I use my Ninja, and you can use I have a salad master where I can make them in like julienne in long strips, or you can chop them up. I just chopped them up today for speed. I'm making a carrot salad with a twist, I guess, because most carrot salads call for carrots, apples, raisins, that sort of thing. Our apples are on the tree, they're not ready. I've been using pears. Pears is a great substitute to substitute for apples. These are still a little firm, even though they're in a jar. My apples, when I can them, are very mushy. It would almost be like putting applesauce in here. You could do that, and it would taste just great if you wanted to do that. Applesauce is a great way to go. But we chopped up the pears instead of apples. Usually, people use fresh apples. We just used our jarred pears. Next thing I'm going to do is add raisins. Now, we don't grow our own raisins here at Deep South, and I do buy raisins for this project. Now, these are sun-made raisins. Danny and I tried the off-brands and stuff like that. They're coated in sugar. These are not coated in sugar. Sun-made is one of the best tasting raisins we found that doesn't have a lot of sugar, because Danny does not want a lot of sugar on his. Now, I sprinkle over the top approximately 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more sugar, you can add less sugar, it's up to you. These carrots are summer carrots. We just pulled them this morning. That's the reason they have a touch of a bitter taste, an aftertaste, I guess you would say. Nothing wrong with them, but they do have a touch of an aftertaste. I put approximately 1 tablespoon, kind of heap a tablespoon to this much. Now, a lot of you are going to ask how many of everything, carrots, raisins, whatever. I don't really measure. I just add some, and Danny likes a lot of carrots. He likes a lot of pears. He likes a lot of raisins. It's not, you got to have one or the other. If you like raisins more than anything else, add more raisins. If you like pears more, add more pears. It's up to you. And if it doesn't have enough of something, just add it in. It's that simple, that easy, and that quick to make a pear salad using your canned pears. And the final step is how you store it. You can take and put this in a plastic container with a lid. You can put it in a glass bowl with the lid and store it in the fridge any way you want. But I have these little 1-serving cups. They're glass with a lid from Pampered Shelf. And that's what I do. I make 1-serving things. I put them in the fridge, and when Danny wants a snack, he comes in and grabs it and goes. This is a snack idea for Danny because he likes a lot of fresh stuff, and it saves me having to get something out and fix it for him. It's ready to go. You can pick it up. It's a done deal. So guys, if you like my carrot salad recipe using canned pears instead of apples, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.
Let's see. Well, to be perfectly honest, doesn't need anything. It's right on the money. Tastes is really good. It all blends together fine.
Can't beat Deep South.
Huh?
Can't beat Deep South.
Fresh carrot. I just pulled these about an hour or two ago. The pears are from our trees. I know the raisins and the mayonnaise ain't, but it still tastes